it's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I'm here today with something super cool. Look what I got. If you're not aware, this is Peace and Love Design Kit from Softflex. And I'm super excited about it. Look at the cute little package. So, we are going to do ourselves a little unboxing today with the Softflex. Now, I believe that this, if you're not familiar, this kit retails for $33.95 on Softflex, and we'll get more into the details as we move forward as we're unboxing. But they have additional bead strands and other little bead kits that, if you need more, are available on the website. They're like $11.99. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna unbox this and see what we got. Let's get down to the mat, get this party started. Alrighty, party people, here we are down on the mat. I'm so excited. Did you see I had to wear all pink today? I'm festive because this had a little pink label on it, little pink paper. So we're gonna jump into this. So again, I just wanted to mention that if you are interested in getting this little design kit, Softflex puts these little design kits out monthly. Let's see what their little stuff says in here. This says Mystery Design Kit. Here's our website, www.softflexcompany.com. So that is where you would visit if you would like to take a look-see at any of their products. And I will have this linked in the description of the video. Here are a few basics. This is the Mystery Design Kit. They do live videos online unboxing, usually on the last Wednesday of the month. And then there is a winner chosen at random if you'd like to participate in their contest, which you can check out more at their Facebook or on their YouTube channel, and you're just going to look for Softflex. I'll have all that listed below as well. And then this is the kit. Oh, this tells us what's in there. So the kit is called Peace and Love. All right, so let's get going on this. I love this little packaging. Peace and love. I think the last little kit that I had was the Chinese New Year, and that one was really fun. Oh yes. Go out of here, packaging. You just throw it across. That's how you do. Let's zoom in. Oh, I would also like to premise that we are in a working studio, so if you hear any weirdness, it's because we're doing work over here at the Thunderhorse Descendant. I'm sorry, this was made for Randy. Look at it's pink and orange. If you're new here, I love pink and orange. It's my fave. Orange is my fave. Pink just happens to go with it, and I love orange. You guys, and we're nearing in on orange time. Alright, let's see what we got here. Looks like we got some goodies. Got lots of goodies. Here they are. Now these, you guys, I tell you right now, these are not picking up in the camera like they should be. These are neon pink. These lights are like, nope. My camera's like, we can't even see that neon pink. It's so neon. I love it. Alright, so this is what's going to come in your kit. So let's get to the little kit paper. It says we have some Softflex Antique Bronze 0.019 medium beading wire. I love me some Softflex beading wire. Oh, and it's metallic. That's lovely. So this is the medium. Now I love a medium wire. I really like it for stones, heavier things. I really enjoy their Softflex wire. So I don't know if you are aware, but Softflex company is based out of Sonoma, California, and they are a small family run business, and their specialization is in flexible beading wire. So FYI on that. So that's super good. Next up, we have Softflex 2x2 millimeter sterling silver crimp tubes. Alright, so we got some little findings. We got our sterling crimp tubes. That's them guys there. Silver plated earring wires and balls, and silver plated lobster claw. So there's our other findings. Let's just get this little charm out of here. Ooh. Take that off, I will hurt myself. Okay, so there's all of our little findings. Let's get us a little dish. Okay, so we got our sterling silver, bead crimps. Got our silver plated wires and things and stuffs. All right, then we have peach metallic check glass fire polish rounds. Metallic. I would assume that's these. Peach metallic. I would assume these are the peach metallic. These are the only real peachy metallic ones I'm seeing. I love these. Love me some fire polish. These are very nice. Good for all projects. Put those there. Then we have Green Girl Studio Peace Dove Charm. That's this guy. Come on, camera. It's freaking out over those hot pink beads. There we go. So we got peace on one side and we got a little dove on the other. So that's super cute. Super cute. It does have a pretty small hole on it, but it's super cute, and I love that it's double-sided. Next up, we have the Jesse James Beads Custom Bead Mix, which is this guy. And we're going to take a closer look at this in just a few minutes, but this is this guy. So my understanding with these is that Jesse James designed specifically with Softflex for their monthly kits. So I think that this is the only place you're going to be able to find this mix. The mix is called Peace and Love. They do have these available on Softflex beading website. I've seen extras posted for $11.99. And then I did see some strands of beads. Now, I did not get any of the strands of beads, but they have additional available on the website. Next up, we have Rose Check Glass Pipsy Peeps. There we go. We have these little guys, these little pink guys. So that's what those little guys look like. Then we have Orange Swirl Faceted Check Glass. That must be these. Are these large hole? No, they just look cool. I like the shape on these. It's kind of different. I don't know if you guys can see. It's I'm gonna try to zoom in. A little bit of zoom in. It's flat on the edge. You see how it's more of like a barrel? Right here. It's flat compared to these. So I really like that. I think that's cool. So we got those guys. Then we have Black and Blue Pearl Check Glass Rounds. That's these guys. Which I love these. We've seen these numerous times just in the world of check glass, but I think that they're really fun, especially with this colors, with the orange. And Hot Pink Faceted Check Glass Rounds, and that is these guys, which these guys are, like I said, this camera isn't doing these guys any justice, but they are something, let me tell you what. All right, so let's pop into our mix. I'm going to move these to the side and we'll pop into our little mix here. And let's just take a look-see at what we got. Okay. Oh yes, some Jesse James beady goodness is what we got. Let's get out all of the little fun things. Just do it. All right, we got a clasp. Okay. So this is a fun mix. I really enjoy this mix. It is, it's got the orange and the pink going on, which I really enjoy. And then it's got some of these fun little extras here. Now, these guys are interesting. Okay, so one is smaller than the other, so I'm thinking taper maybe. That's cute. I like that. One side is got the diamond like cut edge. It's like kind of like got a pointy edge, and one side is flat. So that's kind of interesting. Both are like that. Very cool. I don't know that I've seen anything like that recently from Jesse James. I do love these. I love that they're gunmetal. Love me some gunmetal. Love. Okay, these guys are cage beads as well. I got 2 of these. They do have little crystals in. These are the filigree cage beads. They are silver. Then we have some really cool rhinestone spacers in the black, which I enjoy. And then these little acrylic sparkly guys here. I know they're acrylic, but I love them. I have them in all the colors. I love them. And quite honestly, they work really well because there's not a lot of weight. You know, like if you want to make some sparkly earrings or something, and then but you had somebody who didn't want a lot of weight on their ears, highly recommend. We got some spacer stars. Love me some spacer stars. These guys are huge. I love that even more. I've got some check glass little pink drops, which we could be making some stuffy with. Those are cute. Got kind of a metallic on one side. Now, I don't know what the name of this kind of bead is here, but it's an interesting shape. I don't know if this is a pressed glass. Kind of looks like a pressed glass situation. Very interesting. Give a little texture. We love that. We've got some acrylic pearls in like a kind of a burnt orange color. Maybe it's not burnt. Maybe it's just kind of pearly orange. Either way, got those. Oop, we're losing our stuff here. Losing our stuff. And then these, you guys, these are my favorite. I love the Halloween guys when they start coming out with like the Jesse James mixes, when they start coming out with these guys. Because I love these. These are like, oh, they're so good. The camera's not doing them any justice. They're like super bright and orange, super faceted. They're glass, crystal. They're just the best. Love them. Then we have these. We have seen these before. They have kind of like a magma finish, lots of facets, really sparkly. Love that. We've got a few, just the 2, I guess. 2 twisted black, and then we've got a few of these like little pink guys. Are these are glass. Little pink bicone guys. So, super fun. So let's bring it all back in here. We've got the metallic, which I'm really liking the metallic with all this stuff. I'm loving these bead strands. Okay, and then we got our pips or pips, whatever you call them. Then we got all of our findings over here. We could put this in with the findings. A little findings dish, our little charmy charm. And there we go. So this is Peace and Love Design Kit from Softflex Company for, you know, I want to say this one came out in like July. Was it July or August? I am a little late to the party, to be honest with you, because it says these items will be launching July 27th. So I'm a little late to this party, but the reason I got this is because we're also going to do the next one, which I think is going to be a super fun one for fall. So I'm excited about that. So anyways, this is what we have. So let me tell you what I absolutely can't live without. I can't live without the wire, of course, because it's amazing. So I can't live without the wire, and I absolutely can't live without these hot pink beads. If I just had these, I'd be good to go. I'm going to be good with just those. Something I could have lived without. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's all pretty good. This we're considering as one package, so we're not going to pick individual things from that. I honestly maybe could have done without these little pips, just because they're kind of like a baby pink, and I don't know how I'm going to work that in, but I guess I'm going to figure it out. But yeah, so there we go. This is Peace and Love. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please stay tuned for the planning video, which will be coming out soon, where we will do, we're going to do a little mini series with this. We're going to do a planning video and then some projects. So I hope you guys are all having a wonderful, spectacular, amazing beading day. If you are, make sure you subscribe, leave it in the comment, let me know how it's going, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!